You sit down to eat what feels like a healthy meal, maybe a slice of toast, some rice, maybe even a glass of juice. But within an hour, you feel tired, a little dizzy, maybe even forgetful. It's subtle. But what just happened could be dangerous, especially if you're over 60. A silent blood sugar spike. And over time, these silent spikes damage your eyesight, your kidneys, your heart, even your brain. But what if I told you, there's one simple, natural food that could help lower your blood sugar almost instantly, and it's likely already in your kitchen? As a doctor who has worked with older patients for over 20 years, I've seen too many seniors suffer from what they thought were just sugar swings. They weren't. These were warning signs of something bigger. And here's the truth, it doesn't only happen to people who eat junk food. I've had patients who walk daily, eat moderately, and still struggle with dangerous blood sugar levels. This is why awareness is more powerful than any medicine so today. I want to show you one powerful food that can help stabilize blood sugar right after a meal. Not a supplement. Not a pill. Just a real, natural food backed by science, and used in cultures around the world for centuries. I'll also explain how it works, how to use it safely, and what to eat with it for best results. Let's get started. That food is apple cider vinegar. Yes, really. A simple tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, diluted in a glass of water, taken before or during a meal, especially one with carbohydrates, can significantly reduce the blood sugar spike that happens after eating. Studies show it improves insulin sensitivity and slows the breakdown of starches into sugar. Let me share a real example. One of my patients, Mr. Akram, age 72, had been managing his type 2 diabetes with medication. But he kept experiencing sudden crashes and spikes. We tried something simple. Just 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water before lunch and dinner. Within a week, his after-meal glucose readings dropped by nearly 25%. No side effects. Just better control, naturally. But a warning here, don't take apple cider vinegar straight. It's acidic. Always dilute it in water, and avoid it if you have ulcers or acid reflux. Always speak to your doctor if you're on medications like insulin or blood pressure pills, because yes, it can enhance their effect. Are you using apple cider vinegar? Type ACV in the comments if you've tried it, or new if you're just hearing about this for the first time. And please, give this video a thumbs up to help other seniors see this life-saving info. You never know who you could help today. If vinegar isn't right for you, don't worry. There are other ways to manage blood sugar naturally. Start with fiber-rich vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and cabbage. Add healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and seeds. And most importantly, stay hydrated. Blood sugar rises faster when you're even slightly dehydrated. Also, walking for just 10 minutes after a meal can lower sugar levels more effectively than some medications. Yes, walking. That's the power of daily habits. Here's the takeaway, you're never too old to take back control of your health. One small habit, like a tablespoon of vinegar or a short walk, can create a ripple effect in your energy, memory, and even your mood. I make these videos because I've seen how small changes save lives. So if this helped you, please subscribe for more science-backed, senior-focused health tips every week. And remember, your age is not your limit, it's your strength. Stay strong, stay curious, and stay well.